The Amazefit watches are manufactured by Xiaomi sub-brand Huami. The brand has released amazing smartwatches which are becoming the main choice for sportsmen who need to monitor their activity through a wearable device but do not want to spend a lot of money buying an Apple Watch or the most advanced Garmin smartwatch. Amazfit Verge and Stratos are the most powerful ones in terms of hardware and the best ones when it comes to software. It has 4 physical buttons, a 316L stainless steel dial for preventing any scratches, has a silicone strap, and is 5 atmospheres waterproof as well. It weighs about 59.6 grams. They can both detect your heart rate, with Amazfit Verge having the best accuracy along with irregular heartbeat detection. On the other hand, the Stratos is able to measure maximum oxygen consumption, VO2 max. Both have multi-sport tracking with 12 sports supported, without supporting more sophisticated sports. The Amazfit Stratos 3 smartwatch that features a 1.34-inch, 320x320 pixels, circular dial offering a total of 260,000 colors. It is powered by the 1.2 GHz dual-core processor, 512 MB RAM, and 4 GB of internal storage. The battery is said to last 7 days of autonomy, and 14 days if we only make basic use of the watch. It offers 19 sports modes that include running, swimming, cycling, and more. Connectivity options include NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, and Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN. Sensors on board include a BioTracker PPG bio-tracking optical sensor, 6-axis accelerometer, 3-axis geomagnetic sensor, pressure, and ambient light sensor. The Amazfit Stratos 3 Classic Edition is priced at 1,299 Chinese renminbi yuan, roughly Rs 12,900, while the Elite Edition is priced at 1,699 Chinese renminbi yuan, roughly Rs 16,900. The Elite Edition is built with better quality metal, that is, titanium is used for the bezel, and sapphire is used for the dial. There's also a Star Wars edition of the Amazfit Stratos 3 that has been unveiled alongside. While Amazfit Verge and Stratos have more advanced features inside their software, Amazfit Bip is the smartwatch with the best battery life. It is able to last up to 30 days with a normal usage, even more than smart bands such as the Mi Band 3. This is great, given that smart bands do not have a color display like this wearable. Amazfit Verge and Stratos can only last 5 days with a normal usage. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.